In the bustling world of technology, ideas are born every second. This is the dawn of innovation, a crucial stage where a mere spark of thought can ignite a revolution. It all begins with identifying a need. It could be an everyday inconvenience or a complex issue that requires a technological solution. Next, the brainstorming commences. Tech enthusiasts, engineers, and designers huddle together, their minds a whirlpool of creativity and logic. They are the architects of technology, building bridges to the future. They sketch, they debate, they dissect every aspect of the problem, until they find an innovative concept that could potentially change the game. This is no ordinary process. It's a beautiful fusion of science, art, and imagination. A symphony of thoughts that brings together the best of human intellect and creativity. And so, an idea takes its first breath, ready to be nurtured into a tangible product. With a promising concept in hand, it's time for the magic to happen. In the world of technology, the blueprint is where dreams start to take shape. This is the design and development phase, a critical stage where imagination meets reality. The blueprint is not just a mere illustration, it's a detailed plan, a roadmap that guides the team from start to finish, ensuring that the final product is nothing short of spectacular. Behind the scenes, a group of talented tech enthusiasts, designers, engineers, and developers collaborate to bring the concept to life. They are the artists, the architects of the future, whose canvas is the digital world. Each member brings a unique perspective and expertise to the table, addressing different aspects of the product. On one side, you have the technical team, meticulously working on the nuts and bolts of the product, making sure that it is robust, reliable, and ready to perform. Then there's the design team, the visionaries who ensure that the product is not only functional, but aesthetically pleasing and intuitive to use. They are the ones who will make you fall in love with the product at first sight. But the process doesn't stop there. Once the blueprint is ready, it's time for prototyping. This is where the blueprint is transformed into a tangible, working model. It's a crucial step, allowing the team to test, tweak, and perfect the product. This phase is all about getting it right, making sure the product is not only functional, but also user-friendly, providing an unmatched user experience. Imagine the thrill of seeing your idea, once just a scribble on a piece of paper, coming to life for the first time. It's a moment of triumph, but also a moment of truth. It's the moment when you find out if your idea has what it takes to succeed in the real world. But remember, perfection takes time. It takes countless hours of testing, numerous iterations, and endless patience. But once every detail is perfected, once every bug is ironed out, and once the user experience is nothing short of extraordinary, the product is ready to make its debut. Once the blueprint is perfected, the product is ready to enter the realm of reality. The journey from a blueprint to a tangible product is a thrilling adventure. Picture an idea, once confined to the realms of imagination, now ready to take a more concrete form. It all begins with sourcing the right materials. This is a meticulous process, requiring a keen eye for quality and precision. The materials chosen are not just any run-of-the-mill components, they're carefully selected, each element playing a crucial part in the final outcome of the product. Once the materials are secured, it's time for the assembly lines to kick into gear. Picture a choreographed performance, where each participant knows their role to a T. There's a rhythm, a harmony to it. Components are assembled piece by piece, each addition bringing us closer to the final product. This is where the magic happens, where the blueprint begins to take shape in the real world. But this process is not left to chance. It's overseen by various teams, each with their own set of responsibilities and expertise. The engineers, ensuring every component fits just right. The quality control team, meticulously checking each product that comes off the line, ensuring it meets the high standards set. And then there's the logistics team, ready to deliver this product to the wider world. Every step of this process, every detail, is carried out with precision and care. It's not just about creating a product, it's about crafting an experience, ensuring the end user receives something that's more than just a device. It's a piece of technology that's been brought to life with passion, dedication, and an unwavering commitment to quality. The journey from blueprint to reality is not a simple one. It's paved with challenges and hurdles. But it's these challenges that make the final product all the more rewarding. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of collaboration. The product, once an idea, is now ready to make its debut in the world. The final leg of this journey is the most rewarding landing in the customer's hands. It's not just about the end product, but the voyage it makes to get there. It's a dance of logistics, a symphony of coordination. From the warehouse to the delivery truck, every step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure a seamless transition from us to you. Imagine the anticipation, the excitement that builds as you track your package, counting down the days, hours, even minutes until its arrival. Then comes the moment of truth, unboxing. The feeling of peeling off that protective film for the first time, the smooth, cool touch of the device in your hand, the satisfaction of pressing the power button and watching it come to life. This is the culmination of countless hours of innovation, design, and production. The moment when the device, once just an idea, becomes a tangible reality. And thus, concludes our product's epic journey, from a spark of an idea to a device in your hand. But the journey doesn't end here. There's an entire world of innovation waiting for you, just at the tips of your fingers. Imagine the thrill of crafting your own blueprint, bringing your vision to life, and finally holding the tangible product in your hands. The sense of accomplishment is unparalleled, and with our product, the possibilities are endless. It's not just about owning a device, it's about harnessing its full potential, about making it an extension of your ingenuity. It's about turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. If you're intrigued, we're here to guide you. We've got an array of resources at your disposal, from detailed guides and tutorials to interactive forums where you can engage with other tech enthusiasts. There's a wealth of knowledge waiting to be discovered. So, are you ready to embark on your own tech journey? The future is waiting.